In Slovenia, you see barley dishes everywhere. The more popular one is barley risotto with mushrooms.
Zdravo, I'm Adrian. Welcome to my Slovenian kitchen. You're going to need olive oil, a cup of barley, onion, garlic, stock cube, either beef or vegetables, mushrooms, butter, parsley, Parmesan cheese, seasoning, and white wine. Destem your mushrooms. Chop up your mushrooms, onions and garlic. First thing you want to do is you boil a cup of hot water. Take your OXO cube and dissolve it. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, medium heat. Fry your onions. When it starts developing a little bit of color, add your garlic and your mushrooms. And about 1 tablespoon of butter. So once the mushrooms get a little soft, add the barley. I'm using pearl barley. Let it soak up all that goodness. Season with salt and some pepper. Add the white wine, half a cup, and let that absorb. So once the white wine absorbs a bit, now I'm going to add my vegetable stock. You can use beef stock if you have it. Mix. But I'm going to finish with my stock. Some more, and it's like a risotto. You got to stir it, but you don't need to stir it as vigorously. Now I'm going to add another cup of water. Take your OXO cube and dissolve it. Boil it for another 10 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes now, and I'm continuously stirring it, so make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. I'm going to add another half a cup. So this is after 25 minutes, and I've tasted it and it's still a little firm, so I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes now. I'm going to add some Parmesan. How much Parmesan to add? It's all to your taste. I do about half a cup. Add some fresh parsley and give it a good mix. Sprinkle it with a little bit of parmy. Dober tek. Dobro.